Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know that. I learned from you, Ken.
Ganun ba?
Yung mga history class mo eh. Tingin ko
Parang di naman tumataba yan eh.
Tingin ko lang. Hindi ko naman sinasabing may pound siya dati. Pero he looks lighter now. No, I'm not playing tennis. Dahil nga sira ako sa may mga extra gadgets eh. Like yung mga raketa, mga ganyan.
Bola na agaw ni Granian Viloria.
Nice pass.
Fires a pass to his fellow Ilonggo. John Dermal lays it in for 2. Labang na ang Batangas City.
Alam mo, ang huge, nice inside high-low right there. Alam mo kung sino malaking factor kaya nagkakaroon ng gano'n sa mga laro na dikit? Derek Freddy yan.
No, I think he played for Caloocan in Season 3.
Oh, okay.
And then after that, he has spent entering his 5th season already.
He is as colorful as his hair. Nice shot by John Nermal.
For MVP, ayan, nakaagaw pa siya. So lay it in, 7 points for John Nermal.
First time I saw John Nermal was when he was in Bacoor. He was so good back then.
Nakabihis ba si Flavor? Hindi, no?
Parang hindi.
Oh, he's in street clothes.
Yeah, parang hindi.
Wearing a black shirt. It's Mike Alvarez.
Yun ang mabigat na move ni John Nermal, yung footwork sa loob ng paint. And Jason Puray used to play for CEU ba? Tama ba ako?
Tama, CEU.
Yeah.
Nermal sends it to Adlaza. Count it, plus the foul. In overtime, Coach Mike.
Yeah, and they stayed with it actually. Akala nga natin, they magko-cruise na to a win itong Caloocan. But again, the Tamaraws hung in there.
Adlaza the rebound. Nasa loob na rin para sa Negros Haciendero si Jeb Pulawan.
Nag-i-endera pala yung si Joshua.
Yes. Ooh, Grinwell Yambing. Soaring and scoring. Kung papipiliin ka sa tatlong hairstyle, Coach Mike, sino sa'yo? Anong kwento
Alam mo
dyan?
ano nangyari niya?
Oh.
Nagulat na lang kami ni Dors nung umuwi na ganun yung buhok. Sabi ni Dors, ano ba naman yung buhok mo, ma'am?